For the last few weeks, we've been talking about burning out. And the reason is because I was feeling burned out. We're going to talk today about rebuilding your rhythm. I want to flip it. Let's talk about rebuilding your rhythm. The sense of flow, purpose, and the joy that probably got lost somewhere along the way between all the meetings that you have, everything that's on your to-do list, everything that's happening in your life that just came to chaos. So maybe this isn't about slowing down or speeding up. It's about syncing up. So right now, focus on rebuilding it one beat at a time. That's it. For some of you, this is easier said than done, but I believe in you.